that. Dude, we gotta get all this shit over there.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I think I'm gonna get a smaller truck. These trucks are like long.
Yeah, I told you the shorter ones are, it would be a little easier to maneuver around. Especially yours, you got the long one. What the fuck?
On this? This one?
Oh, yeah.
It seems like it,
No,
but
it's a
it's not.
long one. No, it's a long one. Look at this one.
Oh, this one? This one, yeah.
No, look at this one compared to that one. This one has three right here, and then the middle part. And then that one has three, and then, oh, it has a camper too, though. They're the same. They're exactly the same.
That's what I was telling you.
That's sad.
It's just the camper.
Yep. Alright. Alright. I will go get the other truck and my truck. Holy fuck. I forgot what a mess this is. What did you do?
Do what?
Over here.
Okay, okay.
Well, it's stuck.
What's talking about?
The truck, I'm just kidding.
Oh,
I get
that's
too.
you.
I know, I know.
Fuck. You fuck?
You fuck.
¿Qué le pasa a la verga, güey? No mames.
Where's see that? What are you doing though?
I'm driving back to the house.
What is it?
I like how uneven this shit is.
Oh
No mames, güey. ¿Tú qué haces allá?
yeah. You didn't even get your tractor, I told you.
It's on sale?
Either that one or pick one.
What tractor's on sale? Oh, that big ass one? Hold on.
Hmm.
You do not want to be hauling ass when you hit that fucking little bump. I'm not gonna lie.
I just killed the person. In game, in game.
I just killed a man.
What you mean? Wait, did you take my... Where the fuck?
You fuck.
Did you really take my thing already? And you didn't load
Nothing.
anything up?
What are you talking about?
My tractor, where did my tractor go?
Tractor? You never had a tractor?
That's crazy. Oh, we loaded it up and we took it over there. That's fucked. We need it.
The yellow one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I'm
I'm gonna
taking a
respawn
trailer,
it.
so
I'm gonna respawn it back over here unless you wanna pick it up.
I can't. With what?
Alright, well I'm dropping it here then. I'm gonna respawn it. Fucking great.
Let me see. I want to test something out real quick.
Oh, what are you doing?
I hope it works. That'll be cool.
Final last words.
Oh my god. He's going. Where is he going? Oh, he's going. Kinda lost. Wait, let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Oh, he's going for it.
No, he'll make it. He's good.
What the fuck? Oh, let's see. What the fuck?
So you could have. No, never mind. What the fuck?
You fuck. Yeah, I don't see why we wouldn't get that tractor.
Exactly. Wait, which one? The one that doesn't sell?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, you can get it. I'm not getting that shit.
What would we use it for? Planting. This is a good tractor for planting. Especially with the big ass planter. For a big ass field. No, 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 no. Know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Kinda running low on funds.
I see that.
Yeah, we can add more. We still need our harvesters. Which is pretty much the only other thing, you know?
True. True.
Que me llevo aquí en esta mamada. Mi verga.
Did I not put straps back here again? Ah. Alright. I guess I might have to pick it up.
It's not that damaged, actually. Being 2.5 years old.
That's what's up.
It is ran fucking 20 hours. ¿Cuánto este güey? Que no llega, no mames. Milking the clock like a bitch.
Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, 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 no. Stand. We need the thing to load shit up.
No mames.
What the fuck? Where are you sitting? God damn it. You always do this shit.
What?
Damn, dude, the back too? Are you kidding?
What? You know? What are you doing?
Thanks.
Why can't I
What the
turn? What the
fuck is
fuck's going on?
strapped? What the fuck am I? Oh my god,
There's
fine.
straps in front. Leave me alone. I like strapping my shit down. I like being like, say, oh no, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ya, la cagaste. Ya, ya. Mira, ya llegó este güey. Jata la verga. You should get your Ford out here.
Yeah, I got you. It's coming. It's on his way already.
These, these are going to the barn. Look at this. All this shit's going to the barn, or to the animal workshop, or the animal thing, right?
Yeah.
So
Oh,
you just
you know
want to take it over
what?
there then?
Wait, hold on, hold on. Give me a second. Um,
What?
apparently it's unreachable because it's in the garage.
No shit. You gotta
Yeah,
drive onto the road.
I know.
So where do we take it? Do we take it out to the where our shit's gonna be?
I was gonna say either over there or just have it ready at the field.
The field's right here. Para eso no mames, para eso manejamos todo ahí a la verga. Mira,
Huh?
mira, mira. Ya llegué.
Oh, I was gonna start from the top next to 25, but okay.
25. 27?
Alright, I guess we can just take it to the shop then.
What? No, there's a good spot here to just leave all this shit for now. Right here. Coming back around. I'm gonna just fuck that nigga up. I'll fuck him.
Fuck him up.
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna beat his ass.
I was just kidding. Don't fuck him up. He's so valuable asset, like shit.
What is he blocked by?
A car?
You fuck?
No,
It wasn't me. Oh wait, the tractor needs to pull this. I can't pull that. You still on Maliki?
Don't tell me I'm gonna need to push it back more. Shit.
What the fuck are we doing with this?
With what?
Hmm? This thing.
What thing?
It's upside down.
You can haul it with the truck.
Huh? Oh, well, I didn't know that. It's there on its side, so yeah.
He said it was checked.
Dude, what the fuck kind of dumbass turn is that? Oh my god.
You're the one doing the turn.
Hmm?
You're the one doing the turn.
No, your guy is just there, wasting money.
Wait. The fuck? Oh, fix him.
Make him over here. Fuck. You fuck.
So you gonna let him finesse me?
Mm. He's like me when the turbo got fucked up on the truck
It's crazy.
at work. Just let it cool down. I'm like, alright.
Jesus Christ. No,
You
I'm
can't
not
pull
gonna-
this.
You sure? You're not pulling it
I'm
from
just
the
trying to
wrong
pull
way?
it.
What the fuck? Why can't I not get in there? Oh, you're in it. Yeah, right there. Open this up. What are you doing?
Tell me to open it up, no? What are you talking about?
Or what else can you do?
That
Oh shit. What?
maybe because it wasn't like that. Hold on. Mm-hmm.
Oh god,
How am I supposed to transport this shit? Hmm. That is technical. Is that all the way up?
no. Yep.
Mm-hmm. What'd you get this belt for?
'Cause that's what we need.
Or oh, to put it in here?
Mhm.
Neta?
Well, what the fuck? I can't pick it up. When it's on the ground, this thing can't pick it up unless we putting it in there.
No mames.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. But where are we gonna put this? Where are you gonna take this everywhere we go? Well, I guess we can leave it. We could leave it at that place, at that thing. It's kind of dumb to get up there. What the fuck? Deer just ran by.
They're on the loose.
Okay.
Here, it'll fit. The other one will fit right there.
What other one?
The other. La otra esa, güey.
What?
The other auger or thing. I'll put it in there. Don't worry. I got you.
How you do that? You do that. Está chido esta madre. Not gonna lie, I like 21 to buy and what wheat.
For real, for real.
But I would like to buy fields that already have shit on.
And then resell them, and then buy them again.
No, no, mames, no, mames, no, no. Stop
Huh?
it.
Here. Did you bring the other one?
Got the
Oh, I thought you took my truck. I was like, take my truck, unload it, and then
unload what?
the trail, the shit on it.
Oh, no. Drove the tractor over there with this. Cause you took the fast tractor to do that. So I got.
Well, cause your tractor don't have a front to pick up the shit.
But how's that? So let me go. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm about to die. Oh.
No, damn. It's crazy how big this fucking tractor is.
Dude, for running.
Bigger, it's bigger than that fucking thing.
Yeah,
So,
it's just crazy. And it's still hauling ass, dude. Dude, I fucking love how I put the short ones, dude. They sound more, I don't know, they sound more beastie.
oh, that no, that doesn't matter.
Don't play with me. Yes, I do.
No, it doesn't matter.
Alright then.
What matters is the motor, and that's why it's the CMS and the cat and all that shit.
I'm not gonna argue with you right now,
What?
bro. I'm not gonna argue with you right now.
I don't know. I don't care if it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
God damn.
What time do you work?
That motherfucker at 7?
I got an easy job tomorrow. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I know you do, but I don't.
Hmm?
I probably do. I just gotta get up early though. As long as I get there in the morning to get the job.
Yeah. Oh my god, the lag. No mames, dale, güey, dale. Hasta la verga.
That thing is long, dude. I see it from over here. Shit.
Cállate la verga, güey.
No man.
Ese queda, no,
That's
güey. There's
one.
no way, there's like, I don't know,
That's one
I
way
don't
to
know,
do
bro.
it. That's one way to do it, I guess.
I like how this truck sounds.
I like how my truck sounds.
But
You hear it?
no.
Okay. Thank you for confirming.
No es. No es. Slow ass nigga. Slow ass nigga. Slow ass nigga.
And I'm still gonna make it in there. Got smacked, dude. That is
You make shit.
crazy.
Damn, dude, whoever fucking put these fucking signs up are fucking. Oh, goddamn.
Nah, nah, bro. I got smacked, bro. By the double wheeler in the back is crazy.
Nice. Mm.
Look at that.
This fucking Shrek doesn't give a fuck about the fucking night.
Fucking Bambi be wildin', bro. Descendants.
Right? This is be watching you and shit. You'd be like, what the fuck? Oh, damn, what the fuck?
I'm gonna get it,
This
I'm gonna
just
get it,
fell
I'm
off.
gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. Damn. Juke my ass.
Damn.
I get it though. Oh. Bro.
You trying? What the fuck?
Oh,
are
I
you
got
doing?
it. Oh, no. There
Dog,
you go.
holy
She
shit.
dead. Oh, shit.
Damn, nigga, you good?
She dead. It's okay, we're good. Look at him, he's playing with me.
Hope you have insurance.
That was my truck.
Oh, that's your truck. Anyway,
Dumbass.
hope you have insurance. That's not your truck. Yeah, that is your truck. Fuck you and your truck.
Alright.
What?
I almost went too much forward. Leave me alone. Oh yeah?
Me.
Hope you have insurance.
Oh, shit.
So you loaded it up and you didn't leave it up there with it? That's crazy.
Hmm. No, because I had to unfold the back.
I was gonna say we probably need another tractor so you can.
Yeah, we
grass
need like
with.
2 tractors though.
Yeah.
Just one.
No, yeah, probably 2 more. The fuck?
I guess 3, no?
At this point.
Cause this big one is for planting and shit. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes,
that's-
you have that one for doing
No, yeah, but
shit.
just get
And I need one. Or just one, yeah.
for now, cause we don't
No
know.
mames. No, en el weekend. Olvido cómo chingas bajar esta madre, güey. ¿Cómo bajas esta madre? ¿Sí? ¿No? Yeah. Both down. Left. Right. Oh, my controller died. No mames. Con razón no hace ni mal.
Let's see.
Que no hace ni vergas, güey. What the fuck? There we go. That's the one. I was
Oh.
moving my mirrors. How do I move my mirrors? I'm trying to play more in first person. Oh, the mom says right there. And there.
Did I strap him? Yeah, I think.
Oh, there's a car right there. Damn.
That's
Damn, there's another one.
That's crazy.
This is heavy.
Oh
Why?
boy. Oh boy.
Why am I going so slow? Wait.
I could give you a push if you want.
I don't remember how the fuck to lift this shit up. Thank you. How do I lift this shit up?
No clue. It's on the. You can be on.
Oh,
the,
there we go.
Never mind.
Do you get a, is that a big tractor or a medium?
It's a big one.
Okay.
I did all this shit in first person, like you said, fam.
Backing up and shit is fucking weird.
Well, for me it's kind of easy because I can just turn around with the mouse. You feel me?
Mhm.
You should use a mouse. You can use a mouse.
No, it doesn't let me.
What the fuck? This was gay. But it can let you
Yeah.
use a keyboard.
Mhm. Right.
Wild. Alright, well this one is ready to go.
But I thought we left the trailer there.
Fuck it. I'm gonna take my ass to bed.
We gotta take the trucks back. The fuck?
The fuck? What trucks?
Semis and shit.
Oh boy. Alright.